GM has redesigned the engine oil pan for the 3.0 Duramax diesel, and there are some significant changes. Just look at that drain plug right there compared to this one. Now we're going to go into all of the changes that are different with this new design oil pan versus the old design, and I'm curious, why did they do this? But also, they gave us a new pickup tube, which is another indicator that GM loves us. So let's go ahead and get into this. Check out this new design engine oil pan for the 3.0 Duramax diesel. I just came across this design engine oil pan when I was replacing an LM2 in a 2020 truck, and I saw this drain plug was actually in a different location than original. All right, we're under the 3.0 Duramax diesel. This is a new engine oil pan design. Just came out on a brand new LM2. The difference is you can see. Now that's going to do several things for us. One of which, that's now at the lowest point of the engine oil pan, which means we shouldn't have as much oil stuck in the engine oil pan like we did with this one. This is one actually removed, and you can see how much oil is left inside there. Now this new pan also comes with this new design pickup tube, and it actually has like a scoop setup to it. And in comparison to the original one, this one is actually at a straight angle, whereas the original one has an angle to it, which tells me the pickup location has changed and these pans are not swappable. So make sure that you're getting the right setup for your vehicle. But this is a step forward by far, just because we should be able to get the majority of the engine oil drained out of that. Now it's still not going to be perfect because there's still this giant step up. However, you can see that there's this dent inside there, and that's going to allow the oil to sit there. And hopefully we get a complete drain, well, a mostly complete drain. I honestly believe it's going to be a better drain than this one. Now I want to talk about another change that I saw on this. If we look at this new pan, there's a giant step right there. Now the reason for that being there could be anything, I'm guessing on this, but right now I believe either they found an issue with the original engine oil pan and they made some changes, or that's required for the 2027 trucks, which are coming out this year. So I don't know that much detail on it, but I will say there's a significant sump space right there that is lost because of that dent. However, it looks like they made up for it by bringing this out to the outer edge right here, just like this. When you compare to this other pan, you can see that's all unused space. So that's a cool little increase in oil capacity right there, which probably levels it up with the same amount as the original one that it was equipped with. Now I also want to point out that it's got these little tabs right here when the original setup did not have those. So I think that's going to help with removing the engine oil pan possibly. It may do something else, I'm not sure, but they are throughout the pan in different locations. You can see this one had this design. We are now on this design. Let's go ahead and talk about that drain plug, because they also hooked us up with a drain plug upgrade. So we have this setup now. You can see the head is actually a little bit taller. Still not perfect, but it's better than that one. Now, still, I recommend going with an aftermarket one like this with a magnet on it. I think that's a plus. And I also like the fact that it's a much taller head, easier to grab onto. But this in itself is going to be a significant improvement as well. So I think that's awesome that we have that. Flipping this over, when we go into the sump, we've got the pickup tube. The pickup tube is going to sit right down in there, and we've got that scoop on there. In comparison to the original one, there's actually an angle that this comes in at. So the pickup tube is required for this setup. I am curious how the PPE engine oil pan is going to sit with this. I do think it's still going to be okay with either design, but I'm awaiting some answers on that. But we'll definitely keep you guys informed on that, because you know how we are. We love our PPE products, so we want to make sure everything's going to fit properly. So if you're considering that for a truck that has this design pan, hold off, reach out to me. Let's see what kind of details we can come up with. But I need you to tell me, what do you think about this? Obviously, I'm pretty stoked about this. I think it's exciting that they're making these big changes for us. And I think this is definitely a step in the right direction. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Until next time, see ya.